So what we'll do is let these cook down a little bit. And you want them to get a little bit brown, and then we'll start adding the oil and the chickpeas.
So are you sauteing with water or oil right now?
I'm not sauteing with anything right now.
Okay.
I'm browning.
Okay.
And I do that to cut down on the oil that we use, because this dish is actually a little oil heavy for a specific reason, because, you know, when you cook with oil, what is usually the purpose for cooking with oil?
Not having it stick?
Right. But for this one, the purpose is actually for the taste of the oil. So we usually put a little bit in to keep it from sticking, but then we add it in at the end to get that flavor to stay in there. And that's personally, I like the sesame flavor, and it took me a long time to learn that, so I still haven't totally learned it. And if you stir it a lot, it'll get mushy.
Yeah.
So you've learned the hard way?
Yeah, I don't like mushy vegetables.
How have you learned?
How have I learned?
Yeah, how have you learned?
Making stir fry one too many times.
I hate stir fry now. It's like the ultimate vegetarian, vegan
It was
go-to.
a surprise.
It was a surprise.
It was a surprise meal.
It was definitely a surprise.
I'm the baker. He's the cook. So